What are you doing, Teddy? Teddy, what are you doing? What are you doing? You trying to take that cheese out? Teddy wants a piece of cheese. Teddy, that's very bad. What are you doing? What do you want in there? Huh? What are you doing? You're being very bad. Okay, come on. Mommy will give you a treat for your bad behavior. Come on. What are you doing? Nobody's going to believe this behavior. What are you doing? No, 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 no. Alright, it's time to get down now. Okay. No, it's time to get out of the refrigerator. Okay, come on. Mommy give you a treat. You want a treat? Come on.